ZANU-PF has launched a sweeping regularization exercise targeting motor vehicles donated in the name of the party, a move widely seen as an attempt to sanitize controversial vehicle donations by tender mogul Tagwirei following his humiliating ejection from the Central Committee nomination process last week. Zanabana mashoko kubuda panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi pane elite Tagwirei leta iri kubuda panguva inoi ichionekwa kunzi this is following kuda Tagwirei Central Committee fallout. Zanabana mashoko kubuda panapa ndokuwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. This is the latest yamurikona in screen panapa ZVAITWA chikomenda chiti a memorandum dated 3 July 2025, signed by Secretary General Obed Mpofu and stamped at ZANU-PF headquarters, instructs all party organs to begin the process of registering and regularizing vehicles donated to the party, either to individuals or to structures, particularly those not validated by senior officials. The memo states, the ZANU-PF party is embarking on an exercise to regularize the use and registration of motor vehicles donated in the name of the party to either individuals or associations. This development follows exclusive reporting by ZVAITWA revealing that Tagwirei had attempted to bribe his way into the Central Committee by donating vehicles to party officials ahead of the crucial meeting on 3 July. The donations were abruptly blocked after Vice President Zanu Chiwororo Hona intervened, leading to a closed-door confrontation with President mnangagwa. The directive is widely interpreted as a peg of Tagwirei's influence, coinciding with Chiworongo's Zvigananda anti-corruption doctrine. Tagwirei, a known financier of Mnangagwa's campaigns, has faced growing resistance within the party over attempts to bypass internal procedures. What this means: Tagwirei's vehicle gifts under review. Mnangagwa's authority is again undermined by internal backlash. The ZANU-PF leadership is signaling a crackdown on illicit influence. The car donation saga exposes deep fractures in the ruling elite. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoi apo vanhu vari kuona kuti vana Tagwirei vanenge vakutevera motokari dzavo after his co-option yaramba. Pina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, sit on the bell.